The number one mistake that actors make when it comes to self-tapes. If your self-tapes are not landing you callbacks and they're not actually getting you work or connecting you more and more with casting directors, this might be the one thing that will change everything. Most actors focus way too much on perfection. They look for the perfect lines, they look for perfect characterization, perfect framing, perfect acting. And the problem is that casting directors are not interested in perfection. What casting directors want is presence. And when you can connect with the casting director, that is when you're going to make all the changes that you want in your life as an actor. And the reason that this is a problem is because perfection kills connection. You want to make sure that your performance and everything about the self-tape is connecting deeply with the casting director. Make sense? So here are 3 short wins. They're really easy to do, and you can do any of them in your next self-tape starting now. Number 1, prioritize connection over perfection. That makes a massive difference. And the easy way to do that is to treat the camera like a friend. The camera should be on your side. And you need to have a relationship to the camera the way you have a relationship to people in the scene. Think of your camera as a friend, as a kind, benign, loving presence to support you. What this does is it releases you from worrying about the camera, and it enables you to stay connected to your scene partner. When you do that, you connect to the casting director. Get the idea? When you're fully connected to the person you're acting with in the scene, that draws people in. The second thing that's really powerful when it comes down to using self-tapes is to pause. Because pausing and the use of silence creates intrigue. It allows people to lean in, to become curious about you. It makes them think what's going on. You create a sense of drama. Get the idea? And the third thing, and this is a really simple one, but it's so often forgotten, and I've noticed this from a number of times that I've been working with actors, is stay grounded. Stay grounded, deep in your presence. Be centered. Be grounded. If you're not grounded, what tends to happen is that your eyes can get all skitty and you can get all a little bit off center, and that's not very convincing. On a camera, you want to be grounded. Get the idea? And the really simple way to do that is just plant your feet firmly on the ground, allow your head to go up, and feel that center in your body, and that will automatically give you a sense of stillness and feeling grounded. It's really cool. And there are lots of breathing techniques you can do to do that. The most important thing is to stop chasing perfection and start building connection. And if you'd like to know a bit more about this kind of stuff, you can drop me a line here at nick@nickdunning.com. I've got a new program coming up, which is called Cracking the Casting Director Code, and we go into this in much more detail. It's a really powerful, really affordable training course for actors. What I want to do is to give actors a 10, 20, even 30% improvement in the quality of their self-taping. I want you to get better results. And these things that you're going to learn in Cracking the Casting Director Code will make that happen for you right now. Bye now.